Everyone, Claire here, and today I have my first Riverford Organic Farmers box. This is a organic recipe box, and inside are 2 meals for 2 people. So I was in town the other day, and me and my fella decided that we would like to try this box, and there was a guy selling it basically, and so we signed up and we thought we'd try one. So here we go. This is unboxing. Just arrived today, and I really don't know how I'm going to fit this on camera, so please do bear with me. So this is a massive box, quite heavy. Okay. So it's got a cool bag of stuff in. It's got the recipes. Oh, we got a freebie in the box as well. Wow. We had some of our light creamy Sussex slip cut sheep's cheese going spare, so we popped one in your box. Simply try it on its own or crumbled in a salad or pasta. Interesting. So the recipes that we've got is squash, apple and cider tray bake, and everything in this box is to make this. And the other recipe is aromatic beetroot and coconut curry with quinoa. I'm not sure why it is 2 vegetable recipes, because I didn't choose a vegetarian box. But that's not a big issue. I say we're not vegetarians, we do eat meat, but you know, I'm quite happy to have a meat-free meal as well. So we've got all fresh. That says recipe 3 on it. Recipe 1. I don't have 3 recipes, so. Oh, so we've got the dry cider. We've got everything is fresh and everything is in the right doses. You know what I mean? So the right ingredients, the right amount that you need. Oh, chili flakes. It's a spice pot. Nice chunk of ginger. Bay leaves. Lime. Quinoa, which I've never actually cooked before. I usually buy it already cooked. Mustard seeds. We've got some fresh garlic. So far the quality looks really good. The garlic's good quality. The lime feels like it's just ripe. The ginger looks quite good. We've got thyme. We've got some beautiful looking tomatoes. Look at them. They're in a separate one so they don't get damaged. So, let's see. So you can see it all comes in fresh. We have paid for this box. This was not given. Beautiful apple. When we tried the Hello Fresh box, I was not impressed with that one at all, because the onions and stuff were rotten and lots of the veg and stuff in it were rotten. It was not a good box. But this, look at that beetroot. It looks absolutely fantastic. Let's see. Oh, I forgot in this one. Potatoes in this one. Again, the potatoes look good. fresh. Okay, so this is the chilled bag, and this is things that need to go into the fridge. And I really like these chilled bags because you get like this furry thing in it, which is reusable. And you get ice packs to keep your stuff cool. So in this one, we've got the cheese, Dijon mustard. Oh, some nice blue cheese. Some yogurt, that'll be for the curry, I would imagine. Oh, and some organic pork. Spare ribs. That's not in the recipe. Or is it in this one? Oh no, mustard. Ah, this has got pork in it. The squash, apple and cider, I've just seen, has got pork in it. So we do have a meat recipe. That looks really nice. It's like a nice quality chunk of pork. Okay, so I need to go and put all this in the fridge and wherever else it's going. And I will be making these 2 recipes this week, so I will report back on how good it was. Thanks for watching. Bye.